Now once again we have to log into the student server, so click on this sign in button again, give your login ID and password. Now again click on this download software button. Now it is being redirected to another server, and here it is asking for a consent from us. Read through all these things, and at the last you have to agree to the terms and privacy policy. So I'm going to accept that. And now we have plenty of softwares to download from. Here you can see we have our profile is linked to our institute license. You can also see various softwares which we are entitled to use with this particular login. You can see Standard Pro here. If you click on this Get Software button, you will be redirected to another page where we can see this generation, version, language, architecture, deliverable type, subscription entitlement. We are entitled to use only this Connect edition, and you can change the architecture and click on this apply button to check whether your particular requirement is available or not. Instead of 64-bit, if I am choosing 86-bit and click on this apply button, here I can see that 32-bit version is not available for us. So by default we are entitled to use only 64-bit version, and we also don't have any access to this V8i version also. If I click on this apply button, then it says no download found for selected filters. So the only version available for us is this Connect edition. This version number is 24 and architecture is 64-bit version. If I click on this apply button, then it will have a download button here. If I click on this download button, a small installer will be downloaded for 3 MB size. So click on this download and wait for the download to complete. And so once this download is completed, I'm going to open this file. And the rest of the installation process is very simple. It will ask for some prerequisites. You have to install all those prerequisites. It will install Standard Pro. It will also install connection client, and everything will be installed within few minutes or hours depending on your internet speed. And all these things are self-explanatory. It is just asking for the installation directory and whether you are accepting to their end user license agreement and so on. Read through these things and complete the installation process. In the next video I will explain to you how to use this downloaded software.